Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. This is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod. In an earlier video, we had shared with you where we were doing a lot of the dry fitting on this car. It was an abandoned project a couple of different times. The current owner did a little bit of work himself, and then it's here to do all the finishing touches. So we've got the doors hanging better, and we've made a lot of improvements with the drive line, with the wiring and the air conditioning, and running all of the wiring the way it should be. And then we fit the side pipes, so most of the dry fitting is done. The front suspension is going to need a little bit of tweaking. We had to add some bushings to it. So essentially all of the dry fitting now is done. You can see where we have some exposed rust, like mild steel, and this was intentional. So right now we have the car in the proper stance. There's clearance. There were clearance issues with this front beam. It's a Lucky 7 beam. It wasn't set properly. So the guys took it apart, made some measurements, and set it the way it should be. You can see the side profile looks quite correct for it now in terms of how it stands or how it's sitting on the relationship to the ground. So now that all the dry fitting is done, what we're going to do next is completely disassemble this. So this will be the last the client's going to see the car like this, because starting tomorrow what we'll do is we're going to do a very careful disassembly. We're going to label everything properly because we have the mock-up for the dashboard, the air conditioning vents, and some of the accessories we're going to enhance the car with. So we'll start with the disassembly. We'll basically remove all the components, lift the body from the frame. The frame will be completely stripped down and redone. And then we'll do the reassembly, body, and paint. So this is the last you're going to see the car like this, and then I will show you once we have it all disassembled, because we'll have the body on one dolly, and then we'll have the frame ready for the rotisserie. So this is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.